Hey everyone, welcome to Velour. Today I'll show you how to fix Logitech G Hub if it's not working on Windows 11 or 10. First, let's try restarting the Logitech process. Open Task Manager and search for Logitech. When you find it, either it's running or you'll see it here. Like this, for example. If it's running in the background, close it completely. Next, let's try restarting the service. Find G Hub, right-click and select Properties. Click Stop, then enable Auto Start. It'll launch when needed. You can also try reinstalling G Hub. This might help too. Search for Add or Remove Programs. Type in Logitech G Hub. Click Uninstall. Click Yes. Click Uninstall again. You can uncheck the box, by the way. Now reinstall it. This should solve your problem. This was Velour. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. Good luck. See you later.